Hey barbecuers, Kevin with Holy Grail Barbecue. A little over a year ago, Claire and I released this video. I didn't have a professional camera, I didn't have a very good microphone, so what you're about to see is some pretty raw footage. So I took that footage and I remastered it a little bit. Hopefully it comes out a little better, but I hope you enjoy this culinary classic. Hey barbecuers, it's Kevin from Holy Grail Barbecue and my special assistant, and tonight we're going to do some what, baby? Some steak. That's right, with some Argentine Chimichurri sauce and
some
sweet potatoes with Poblano peppers and some roasted tomatoes actually too. And we're going to do it on the Weber kettle grill with some grill grates and some lump charcoal. I thought that might be a little bit of a change of pace from the pellet grill that I've been using quite a bit lately. So I'll show you how to do it, and I got my little assistant here and she's going to help me out. Along with Puppy, yes. So we'll see you folks in a few. So to get started here, I've got a nearly full chimney of the lump charcoal. Reason why I'm going so full is because we're going to be we need to sear these steaks. We need to make it really hot, so I need a little bit extra charcoal. Normally I would only do about 2/3, maybe even a half full of this if I wanted to do just a regular roast of some chicken or something like that, but we need some heat, so there we go. Okay, I've got my veggies all prepped. I've got cherry tomatoes halved, quartered up some shallot, finely diced some cilantro, halved lemon, Poblano peppers diced up, garlic diced up, and some sweet potatoes cubed up. Okay, sweet potatoes, poblanos, and shallot all in a bowl. I did a drizzle of avocado oil. Avocado oil because we're going to be doing high heat, so smoke temperature of avocado oil is really high. Also just salt and pepper on it, and just toss it up. Speaking of the grill here, let's talk about that for just a second. I've got the grill grates turned over, so flat side up. I primarily cook this way with everything. It just adds a nice flat surface to get a real good sear on the meat. Hash marks on a piece of steak are nice, but if you get the caramelization across the entire side of beef, it tastes so much better. Alright, so for the chimichurri, about a tablespoon of the cilantro, a clove of garlic minced up, about a half tablespoon or half teaspoon of cumin, and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Follow that up, squeeze a lime juice. Alright, so the potatoes and poblanos are coming along nicely, and just getting some nice char on it. Keep it going for a little bit more. Looking good. There's the finished product for those. So those that have been following know that I got a perfect steak recipe that involves a reverse sear. I take it up to about 100 degrees in the smoker, and then throw it on a nice hot flat top on those grill grates, and perfect steak. This I'm going to do a little bit different. We don't have enough time. This is supposed to be a quick meal, so I'm just taking some garlic sea salt from Morton's here. It's pretty good stuff. Sprinkle it generously, and then I'll add some fresh cracked pepper to that, and then throw it on this hot grill. Alright, so the steaks were on for about, 3 minutes on one side. Flipped them over. Notice the nice sear across the entire surface. That's good eats, folks. So we're medium rare, folks. We're going to bring these up to about 125, 130. Try to take them off the grill at 125. It'll slowly creep up to about 130, which is on the mid to higher end of medium rare. Alrighty, folks, there you go. So Argentine Chimichurri Steak with poblano peppers, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes came out really, really good. Claire, what do you think? How was the steak?
Good.
It was good? Yeah. It was nice, medium rare, right?
Mm-hmm.
What color was that steak?
Pink.
Pink. Just like you like it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, folks. She turns down steak if it's not medium rare. She will send it back to the kitchen, won't you?
Yes.
Yeah, you'll tell Daddy, take it back.
Yes. It's not pink.
It's not pink. That's right. She was raised right. So from Holy Grail Barbecue and Kevin and
Claire.
We'll see you again. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.